Welcome to the year 2023, a time of great innovation and technological advancement. In this year, we have witnessed the creation of a variety of groundbreaking inventions that are changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Here are some of the many unique inventions at number 1. The Pixy drone is a compact and lightweight quadcopter designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It measures approximately 5 inches by 5 inches and weighs only 75 grams. The drone is equipped with a HD camera that can capture clear and detailed aerial footage and photos. The Pixy drone is powered by 4 brushless motors that provide a stable and smooth flight experience. It can reach a maximum speed of 25 miles per hour and has a maximum flight time of approximately 12 minutes on a single charge. One of the standout features of the Pixy drone is its obstacle avoidance system, which uses infrared sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in its path. This makes it ideal for flying in tight spaces or around objects without the risk of collision. The drone can be controlled using a remote controller or via a mobile app, which allows for real-time viewing of the drone's camera feed. It also has a range of up to 100 meters, giving users plenty of freedom to explore their surroundings. Overall, the Pixy drone is a versatile and capable quadcopter that offers a range of advanced features at an affordable price point. It is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced drone pilots looking for a high-quality drone for aerial photography, videography, and exploration. Number 2. The Pixel Time Surround Display Clock and Flip Timer. The Pixel Time Surround Display Clock and Flip Timer is a sleek and modern device that combines a clock and timer in one. It features a 360-degree surround display that provides a clear view of the time from any angle, making it ideal for use in large rooms or open spaces. The clock displays the time in a bold and easy-to-read font, with the option to switch between 12 and 24-hour formats. It also features a built-in alarm function, which can be set to wake you up in the morning or remind you of important appointments throughout the day. The Flip Timer is a unique feature that allows you to time events or activities with ease. Simply set the timer by flipping it over, and the device will count down the seconds until the timer goes off. This feature is perfect for use in the kitchen, classroom, or gym, and is a great way to keep track of time during workouts or cooking sessions. The Pixel Time Surround Display Clock and Flip Timer is also highly customizable, with the ability to choose between different display colors and brightness levels. It can be powered using either batteries or a USB cable, making it highly versatile and convenient to use. Overall, the Pixel Time Surround Display Clock and Flip Timer is a highly functional and stylish device that is perfect for anyone looking to keep track of time and stay organized. Its sleek and modern design, combined with its advanced features, make it an excellent addition to any home, office, or workspace. Number 3. The Blync Bike. The Blync Bike is a revolutionary stationary exercise bike that combines the latest in fitness technology with immersive gaming experiences. It is designed to make exercise more engaging and fun, and is ideal for anyone looking to improve their health and fitness in a unique and enjoyable way. The bike features a high-quality LCD display that provides real-time feedback on your workout, including distance traveled, calories burned, and speed. It also features a built-in heart rate monitor, which allows you to track your heart rate and adjust your workout accordingly. What sets the Blync Bike apart from other stationary bikes is its ability to connect to a wide range of interactive games and virtual reality experiences. Using the bike's advanced motion sensors, you can control the action on the screen, making the experience more immersive and engaging. The bike is compatible with a range of popular games, including racing games, action games, and fitness apps. It also has the ability to connect to virtual reality headsets, which provides an even more immersive and realistic experience. The Blync Bike is designed to be highly adjustable and comfortable, with a wide range of seat and handlebar adjustments to fit riders of all sizes. It is also built to last, with a durable steel frame and high-quality components that ensure a smooth and reliable ride. Overall, the Blync Bike is a unique and innovative exercise bike that offers a fun and engaging way to improve your health and fitness. Its advanced technology and immersive gaming experiences make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a new dimension to their workout routine. Lastly, number 4. The Meta Glasses. The Meta Glasses are a cutting-edge wearable technology that provides users with an augmented reality experience unlike anything else on the market. They feature a high-resolution display that allows users to interact with virtual objects and information overlaid onto the real world. The glasses are designed to be comfortable and lightweight, with a sleek and modern design that is perfect for everyday use. They are also highly customizable, with adjustable lenses and frames that can be tailored to fit the needs of individual users. One of the standout features of the Meta glasses is their ability to recognize and track real-world objects, which allows for seamless integration between the virtual and real worlds. This feature is particularly useful for industrial and manufacturing applications, where users can use the glasses to visualize and interact with complex machinery and processes. The glasses are also ideal for educational and training applications, as they provide a highly immersive and interactive learning experience. They can be used to simulate real-world scenarios and provide users with hands-on training in a safe and controlled environment. The Meta glasses are also highly versatile, with a wide range of applications in industries such as healthcare, entertainment, and retail. They can be used to provide personalized experiences for customers, such as virtual try-ons or product visualizations, and can also be used for medical applications such as surgery and rehabilitation. Overall, the Meta glasses are a groundbreaking technology that provides users with a new level of interaction and immersion in the digital world. Their versatility and advanced features make them an excellent choice for a wide range of applications, from education and training to manufacturing. As we close out 2023, it is clear that the potential of technology is virtually limitless. From advanced AI systems to powerful new energy solutions, this year has brought us a host of exciting new developments that have the power to transform the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And that was your daily dose of tech. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.